Although you might not have control over what happens to you, you always have 100% control over how you think and how you feel about it. Most people hear that and think it sounds nice, but not realistic. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why this mindset is the difference between staying stuck and actually changing your life, even when everything around you seems to be going wrong. Stay with me, because once you see this, you'll never look at your problems the same way again. Some time ago, I hit a point where everything felt like it was collapsing at once. Plans fell apart. People disappointed me. Life threw things at me that I didn't ask for and definitely did not want. And my first reaction was the same reaction most people have. Why is this happening to me? Why can't I catch a break? Why me? Why me? Why me? But here's the moment that changed everything. One day, I realized that even though I couldn't control the situation, I was choosing the meaning I gave it. I was choosing the story I told myself. I was choosing the emotions I fed into. And that's when it hit me. I had been giving away the only power I actually had, the power to decide how I think and felt about a situation. The situation didn't change overnight, but I did, and the moment I changed, the situation stopped controlling me. Here's what I want you to take from this. Two people can live through the same event and walk away with completely different lives. The difference isn't what happened, it's the meaning they gave it. Stop viewing things as a problem. There are no problems in life, only situations, circumstances, and events. You don't feel stress because of the event. You feel stress because of the story you attach to it. Change the story and the emotion will change. See everything as a blessing or something that would lead to a great blessing even if you don't know how yet. The how will work itself out once you change your perception of the event. You can't control people. You can't control timing. You can't control life's randomness, but you can control your response, and that's where your real power is. If you're in a season where everything feels out of your control and you just can't catch a break, remember this: within every disappointment is the seeds to a far greater success. The stories we keep telling ourselves are programs that run our lives. Changing the story will allow you to feel differently and act differently and manifest a different result in your life. Cheers to the wonderful positive stories you will now be telling yourself, and may you never be the same again.